Hey everybody, so it's another wonderful day in Pennsylvania. It's 6 degrees out. We're cleaning carpets and upholstery here, and you can see already just started this up and it's already melting the snow just from the exhaust from all the hot water coming through the system. The system we use is not like a lot of other systems because this one's brand new, and the biggest difference with this system over other systems is it runs off of the van's engine. So as long as we can start the van in our heated shop, we don't ever have to worry about the machine not being able to run. So a lot of the other carpet cleaning vans and truck mounts, and even our other one, they're air cooled or liquid cooled, and the doors have to be open. They simply just can't run at these cold temperatures, whereas the one that we have here is a direct drive and it can. So if you need us, give us a call. We're always up for the job. And as you see, snow doesn't stop us at all. So have a great night.